Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope everybody had typed present in the chat box. As soon as you entered the class, you have typed present in the chat box. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, we have already started with this paragraph, issues of equality in our democracy. That means,
Yes, ma'am.
in this paragraph, we have seen that not only in India we find this issue of inequality, but in other countries of the world also, they are still struggling for the equality in their country. And we have seen the
Yes, ma'am.
example of United States of America, the African Americans whose ancestors were brought as slaves. जैसे उनके ancestors को पुराने in the past उनके forefathers को slave बना करके, दास बना करके लेकर आए थे. The same and now for that reason only now they are settled in America. These African people are settled in America, and now they are being exploited. They are not treated equally. Now we will start with the Rosa. Before we start with this paragraph, Rosa Parks. This paragraph about B.R. Ambedkar. This is the picture of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ambedkar. It is disgraceful to live at the cost of one's self-respect. It is disgraceful for to live means हमारा it is means here it is importance is given to self respect. हमारे आत्मविश्वास को, self respect को अगर चोट पहुंचती है, then it is not thought to be a good thing to live without self respect. Self respect के बिना रहना किसी के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है, किसी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सब अपने अपने स्वावलंबन मीन्स अपने अपने सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग रहना पसंद करते हैं कि उनकी रिस्पेक्ट, उनकी डिग्निटी हर्ट नहीं हो. अगर आपकी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होगी, अगर क्लास में, या मैं आपको ओवरलुक करूंगी, आपको से बात नहीं करूंगी, आपका नाम नहीं लूंगी, या आप जो भी आंसर दे रहे हैं मैं आपको बीच में चुप करवा दूंगी, then you will feel good for that.
No, ma'am.
You will not
No,
feel
ma'am.
good. आपको लगेगा कि मैम मुझे तो ध्यान दे नहीं रही है, मेरे से बात नहीं कर रही है, मैं
Yes,
आंसर दे
ma'am.
रही हूँ तो रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रही, तो दैट मीन्स योर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट विल बी
Yes,
हार्म.
ma'am.
आपको लगेगा कि मेरे को मैम ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दे रही है, मुझे ओवरलुक कर रही है. तो ये दैट टू हार्म द सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ एनी पर्सन. सो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट इज द मोस्ट वाइटल फैक्टर इन द लाइफ. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है लाइफ का. विदाउट इट मैन इज अ सिपर. Without it man is a sipper means man is a zero. Means without self respect, अगर आदमी के पास, इंसान के पास self respect नहीं है, तो that means he is like a sipper, he is like a zero. मतलब आत्मविश्वास, खुद का रिस्पेक्ट बोलते हैं तरीके
Yes,
से.
ma'am.
रिस्पेक्ट बहुत जरूरी है. टू लिव वर्दली विद सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट वन हैज टू ओवरकम डिफिकल्टीज. और खुद का अगर रिस्पेक्ट है अगर लाइफ में, तो और या लोग आपको रिस्पेक्टफुली देखते हैं, दैट मीन्स यू कैन ओवरकम फ्रॉम एनी टाइप ऑफ डिफिकल्टी और प्रॉब्लम को किसी भी तरह आप सॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं.
Yes,
देन
ma'am.
नेक्स्ट इज we have also seen about this. It is out of hard and ceaseless struggle alone that one drives strength, confidence, and recognition. Now, it is out of hard and ceaseless means बहुत struggle की जरूरत पड़ती है अपना respect, दूसरों के बीच में अपना respect दूसरों के माइंड में मीन्स अपने लिए रिस्पेक्ट शो करना. ये बहुत ज्यादा उसके लिए स्ट्रेंथ, कॉन्फिडेंस और रिकॉग्निशन की जरूरत पड़ती है. बहुत ज्यादा आपको स्ट्रेंथ की जरूरत पड़ती है. आप में अपना कॉन्फिडेंस आना चाहिए, और लोगों के बीच में लोगों को ये लगना चाहिए कि हाँ लोग आपको जानते हैं. आप अपने मीन्स वी कैन से कि एक तरीके से आप दूसरों से अलग न महसूस करें अपने आप को. यू बीइंग विद देम ओनली, आप उनको कॉन्फिडेंस में लेकर के, ताकि वो लोग जो दूसरे लोग है, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है, वो आपके अंदर थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस शो करें. एंड व्हेन दे विल गेन कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू, देन श्योरली दे विल गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू यू ऑल्सो. जब आप उनके लिए ऐसा काम करेंगे ताकि वो आपके ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस रख सकें, आप पर विश्वास रख सके, then surely you will gain respect in their eyes. आप उनकी आंखों में रिस्पेक्ट देखोगे अपने लिए. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
man is mortal, everyone has to die. Man is mortal means एक हर चीज का एक समय होता है, means it is not that everything is for ever. कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी कोई चीज खत्म हो जाती है. In the same way, man is also mortal. Everyone has to die someday or the other. कभी ना कभी हर किसी को भगवान के पास जाना ही है. But one most resolved to lay down one's life is in enriching the noble ideals of self-respect in bettering one's human life. Means अपनी self-respect gain करना society में रह करके, और लोगों के बीच में आप अपनी एक important, एक अच्छी image बना करके जाओगे, तो it will be best. Nothing is more disgraceful for a brave man than to live life devoid of self-respect. एक brave man के पास अगर self respect नहीं है, that means he or she has achieved nothing. Now coming to the story of Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks was from 1913 to 2005. She was an African American woman. So who was Rosa Parks? Rosa Parks was an African American woman. That means she belongs to Africa and settled in America. Clear? Tired from
Yes.
a long day work, she refused to give up her seat on the bus to the white man on December 1, 1955. Now, 1st of December 1955, when she returned, when she was returning home after a tiring day, where after the means workout, then she refused to give the seat to the white man. As earlier we have understood that when the white and the black used to travel in the bus together, तो black किसके लिए? अफ्रीकन के लिए, और white किसके लिए? अमेरिकन के लिए. Then what to happen? The black people, that the African has to give the seat to the white person.
White person.
है ना? So in this case, what happened now? Rosa Parks denied, refused to give the seat to the white person. Now her refusal, because वो बहुत थक गई थी, तो वो उठ करके खड़ी हो अपनी जगह white person को नहीं दी. So her refusal that day started a huge agitation against the unequal ways in which African Americans were treated, and which came to be known as civil rights movement. Now this time, when as soon as this Rosa Parks refused to give the seat to whom? Seat to whom?
White man.
White man.
White person. What does white person means?
American.
Americans.
Yes. So American, as soon as she refused to give the seat to white person, what happened? The agitation started. Agitation means the place of that where means a type of disorder started in the country, because now she has refused to give the seat to the American. A disorder started. The agitation against the this situation started, because now the unequal ways in which African Americans were treated, which came to be known as civil right movement. अब एक तरीके से movement start हो गया. इसके खिलाफ, किसके खिलाफ movement start हो गया? Against the unjust done to the African people. African people के खिलाफ जो unjust inequality का व्यवहार जो हो रहा था अमेरिका में, उसके खिलाफ एक तरीके से movement start हो गया. And this movement was called as civil rights movement. Civil rights movement कहा जाने लगा. Now the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. Now what was about the Civil Rights Act? You can underline this. Civil Rights Act prohibited. Prohibited means रोका गया. Civil Rights Act ने जो एक तरीके से एक्ट बन गया, ये रूल बन गया कि किसी तरीके का कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होगा. किसके बेसिस पे? रेस मीन्स ओरिजिन के बेसिस पे, रिलीजन के बेसिस पे, या नेशनलिटी के, नेशनल ओरिजिन मीन्स नेशनलिटी के बेसिस पे। जैसे अफ्रीका के लोग, उनकी नेशनलिटी क्या होगी? अफ्रीकन नेशनलिटी। हमारी नेशनलिटी, हम इंडिया में रह रहे हैं, हमारी नेशनलिटी क्या होगी? इंडियन नेशनलिटी। सो ना तो ओरिजिन के बेसिस पे वो कहाँ से बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, नॉट ऑन द रिलीजन नॉट देयर नेशनलिटी। किसी के बेसिस पे भी अब डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होगा। व्हाई? बिकॉज इट वाज मेड एन एक्ट, एक तरीके का रूल बना दिया गया। कब? सिविल राइट एक्ट इन 1964. It also stated that all schools would be open to African American children and they would no longer have to attend separate schools, especially set up for them. Now, there will be no schools. Previously, what happened? Okay, previously, separate schools were there for African children and American children. Now, it was made that no separate schools were there. School will be there. Now African and American people both will have the studies, means both the children of Africa plus children of Americans, both will attend the same school. However, despite this, the majority of African American continue to be amongst the poorest in the country. Now this type of equality was given. एक तरीके से एक तो एक्ट बन गया, सिविल राइट एक्ट। कहाँ पर बन गया ये? अफ्रीका अमेरिका में। अफ्रीकन और अमेरिकन की इक्वालिटी को शो करने के लिए ये एक्ट बना, ताकि किसी तरीके का भेदभाव नहीं हो वहां पर। एंड देन सेकेंडली, द स्कूल्स would be open to African American children and they would no longer have to attend separate schools. अब जो schools, न्यू schools open हो गए जहाँ पर अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन दोनों के बच्चे पढ़ेंगे, कोई अलग से नहीं उनको स्टडीज मिलेगी। So this was the decision which was taken, but then also we can say that, however, despite this, the majority of African Americans continue to be among the poorest in the country. इतना steps लेने के बाद भी जो African people थे वो poorest in the country। कौन सी country में? United States of America में फिर भी poor देखने को मिलते थे। मतलब फिर भी इतना equality दिखाने के बाद भी अब उनको एक तरीके से वो डिफरेंस था उनको रिच और पुअर के बीच में। अमेरिकन्स वर रिच, अफ्रीकन्स वर पुअर। Then most African American children can only afford to attend government schools that have fewer facilities and poorly qualified teachers. Now there were also difference between the attending of the schools of the African American children also. That means the African American children, the children of Africa people who were living in America, they only afford to attend the government schools. Government schools ही attend कर पाते थे because they were not able to afford the good schools or private schools because they were poorest in the country. And these government schools were having fewer facilities and poor qualified teachers were there as compared to white students who either go to private school or live in the areas where government schools are highly rated as private schools. Now, this was still the differentiation made in USA, that is America. That means apart from the civil right movement, सिविल राइट एक्ट जो बना उससे इक्वालिटी देखने को मिली थोड़ी बहुत, बट देन ऑल्सो नॉट people are still struggling, the African people are still struggling for equality in United States of America. Now experts from Article 15 of Indian Constitution, prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. That is according to Article 15. Article 15 of our Indian Constitution has provided us equality. Now there is prohibition. Prohibition means रोक दी गई है कि किसी तरह का कोई हमें भेदभाव नहीं फेस करना पड़ेगा इंडिया में, ना तो रिलीजन के बेसिस पे, ना रेस के बीच, ना कास्ट, ना सेक्स, ना प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ। सो no type of restrictions or prohibition will be based on the basis of religion, race, caste or place of birth. First, now the state shall not discriminate against any citizens on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. First and foremost, law or rule made in our Indian Constitution was that the state shall not discriminate. Even the state, the government will not discriminate. कोई भेदभाव नहीं होगा, कहीं भी किसी भी तरीके का लोगों के बीच में कोई भेदभाव नहीं होगा, रिलीजन के बेस पे या कास्ट के बेसिस पे या कोई प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ या सेक्स के बेसिस पे, मेल है चाहे फीमेल, चाहे किसी भी रिलीजन को बिलोंग करता है, तो द public things, the government things will be available, will be accessible for each and every one. No citizen shall, on grounds of only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them, subject to any disability, liability, restriction, or condition with regard to access to shops, public restaurants, hotels, places of public entertainment. Means ये जो public places हैं, यहाँ पर किसी तरीके का कोई restriction नहीं होगा, because these are meant by the government and they can be used by all the citizens without any discrimination made on the basis of caste, color, creed, disability, liability. किसी भी तरीके का कोई discrimination नहीं होगा. और shops, public restaurant, hotels, places, playgrounds, bathing gardens, wells, ये सब किसके लिए है? State fund से है, state government के द्वारा provide किया गया है, public है, इसलिए everyone is free to use these public places. So this is all given in Article 15. Now the challenge of democracy. Challenge of democracy means एक तरीके से we are living in a democratic form of government, but still we are struggling for equality. That is, it is a challenge for a democracy to give equality to each and every individual which is present in our country. So this is a great challenge for democracy in our country. So no country can be described as being completely democratic. कोई भी कंट्री को हम completely democratic नहीं कह सकते. Why? Because there has always communities and individuals tried to expand the ideas of democracy. बहुत सारे communities और individuals हैं जो कि इक्वालिटी के लिए अभी भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. सेंट्रल टू दिस इज द स्ट्रगल फॉर रिकॉग्निशन फॉर ऑल पर्सन्स एज इक्वल फॉर देयर डिग्निटी टू बी मेंटेन. बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत सारे कम्युनिटी के लोग, many groups of people are residing in a country, so most of the people are still fighting or still struggling for the dignity, for the self respect in our society, in our country. अभी भी उनको किसी तरीके की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट या इक्वालिटी नहीं प्रोवाइड हो रही है. अभी भी उनको कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि उनको आइसोलेटेड रखा गया है या सोसाइटी से अलग रखा गया है. In this book, you will read about how these issues of equality affects various aspects of daily lives in the democratic India. You will read these chapters, think about whether the equality of all the persons, they are being able to maintain their dignity is upheld. Abhi, next, all other chapters are also there related to equality only, and we will read in these chapters that whether in reality people are practicing equality or not, they are able to maintain their self-respect or not. We will read in the coming lessons. Now go through the glossary. Glossary is also important, clear? So you have to learn each and every part of the lesson for exams. This lesson 1 is completed now of civics also, and this completes your periodic assessment 1 course. That is history lesson 1, civics lesson 1, and geography lesson 1. And yesterday I had shared the paper pattern as well as the syllabus in your group. So please check it. And before this, I want to share the question answers PDF. This is the question answers PDF of lesson 1 on equality. This I'm going to share it on in student portal. To I hope it is shared. Yeah. Now these question answers PDF I had shared yesterday only. So you can complete this in your notebook. Those who have not completed, those who have completed, it's very good. And the paper pattern and syllabus is already shared also in the group. So go through the paper pattern, and the same way the questions will come, which is given in the paper pattern. In our next class, if it is there, in our next class, we are going to start with this lesson 2 of civics only. We'll continue with civics only, role of government in health. Clear? Role of
Yes,
government
ma'am.
in health. We are going to continue with lesson number 2 of civics this lesson. So whenever we'll meet next, you have your civics book only, and go through this lesson once, role of the government in health, or if possible, try to complete your work in time.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Anything which you are not able to follow related to your anything means activity or your exams,
No,
periodic assessment exams?
no, no, ma'am. Nothing.
Okay, okay, fine. So read each and every line from the book during the holidays.
Okay,
Each
okay,
and
ma'am.
every line of lesson 1 of history, lesson 1 of geography, lesson 1 of civics, कुछ भी कहीं से भी आ जाएगा. So you have to go through the lessons.
Okay,
अच्छे
ma'am.
से lessons पढ़ लेना. ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So that's all for today. In our next class, whenever we are meeting, we will start with lesson number 2 of civics itself. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye.